Basic overview for Aptito POS shortcuts. First shortcut is Map. In this example, Map will allow you to jump from the main floor to the patio and back to the main floor again. Next shortcut is History, where you have two buttons on the top right for open and closed orders. Click on Open Orders to see the current orders that are open. Simply click on the order and the application will take you to the original check. The Transfer Order button will allow you to transfer an order from one table to another. For example, select a table in the list shown here. Hit the Transfer Order button and choose the table you want to transfer that order to. A pop-up button will appear asking you to confirm the transfer. Next, let's look at the shortcut labeled Options. Click here and we see Open Tabs. This is where you can see all current open tabs opened by a waiter or bartender. The Delivery Pickup tab contains a database of all your delivery clients where you can store their information such as address, phone number, and email address. Next, we have the Drivers list where you can assign specific deliveries to a driver on your staff. Address, phone, and additional comments can be entered here. Next, we have the Reservations tab. This section of Aptito allows your host to organize and execute reservations accurately with color-coded tables shown on the restaurant floor plan. At the top left of the screen, we can see the percentage of available occupancy based on the current reservations. Click on the Make Reservation button on the top right to schedule a new reservation and include your customer's information. The Manager's view will allow you as a manager to assign specific tables to waiters. Drag and drop tables to waiters as desired. Bill Printer will allow you to assign a bill printer to a POS station. If you have more than one POS station in a restaurant, you'll need to use this feature to assign a second printer to a second POS station. Next, we have Open Cash Register, which simply opens the register upon command. End-of-the-day report shows you statistics like all your credit card transactions for a particular waiter. Here you're able to print specific reports from waiters' transactions on specific dates desired. Next, we have Petty Cash. Here you can record the amount, vendor name, and description of where this transaction was directed. Feedback and Suggestions. Specify an email address and have all your customers' feedback and suggestions sent here. Check-in List will give the manager the ability to clock out any employee who may have neglected to clock out on their own for any specific reason. Now let's take a look at the Quick Order tab. Here you can make a dine-in or takeout order. Your receipts will also specify whether the order is takeout or dine-in. Transfer Check conveniently transfers the check from one table to another with this feature. Merge Tables. When you encounter a party that requires merging tables together, use this feature. The table will highlight in blue. Select your second table and they become one. Next is Transactions, where you'll find cash, card, or voided transaction for any specific date you need to view. Update. Keep your Aptito digital solution updated with all the latest technology by using this feature. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you.